What's up, y'all? So I want to show y'all how I made this cute structured piece for the top of this dress. I had been seeing it on like African dresses and like different things like that. So I definitely wanted to do something where I could incorporate that. This is my second prom dress, y'all, and I'm so proud of myself. I wanted the piece to be like 26 inches long and a little wide, but not too wide. So I made it about 6 inches wide. And I added an additional inch for seam allowance. So once I cut my fabric on fold, I just cut it in half so that I can have a piece for the lining, which is the inside as well as the outside of the structure piece. I added some interface to both pieces, and the fabric is also non-stretch, so it's easier for the interface to attach to it with the adhesive. So I cut that, and y'all, I was supposed to have something called like a peplum stay or something like that. Like I say, this was my first time even trying to do this. I thought I had ordered it, but I guess I ordered like a thicker interface, and you can tell it's your interface because one side of it will feel kind of like bumpy and the other side will feel more smooth. So once I ironed that down, I eventually noticed that I didn't have the right peplum stay, so I was just going to have to figure some out. So I was like, I'm just going to use more interface. So I'm just cutting additional pieces to iron onto the back of those just to give it more stabilization because it was kind of like flimsy. It was just the regular one, and I wanted it to be more stiff. And I also wanted to add boning on each side, but by it being a little wide, I added boning in the middle. So I'm going to sew 3 separate parts for my boning. You guys can kind of see it here. It's a little bit difficult, but it's space on each side for the boning, and it's a space in the middle for the boning. So once I did that, I just sewed the front and back pieces together on the ends, and then I flipped it out. And this is how it looked. I would normally iron it. Well, I wanted to, but again, I used the interface instead of that peplum stay, and I didn't want it to stick together. So it's kind of wrinkled right here, but I'm just putting it in the boning, and it's giving like the bent look that I was going for. So I was excited about that, y'all. I was like, yes, it's coming together. So I just sewed the ends down. I had to trim off a little bit of the boning so that I can sew it down and make it look kind of neat. And I just pinned the ends up. I wanted to use these pins to hold it on there, but they was way too thick, so I might just sew it down or find like some thinner pins. But it came out real cute for my first time, y'all. I was honestly proud of myself, and I can't wait to do like more designs with this concept. Like, I love it so much. It gives your design an extra luxury look that I love, so I can't wait to work with it again.